And this is where the neuroscience part comes in, which I could nerd out on this all day long and go down a long rabbit hole. But I just think it's fascinating as we learn more about it.
Oh, it's great, man. I mean, I built an outdoor kitchen space in my backyard where I've got a wood-fired pizza oven, a big, huge domed one that I built. I've got the barbecue. It's partially covered, partially not. I mean, I can't be sitting out there cooking a pizza, and this happened this last year, and I look up and I see a bald eagle sitting in my neighbor's tree sitting there.
Yeah.
And you just don't get that living inside cooking in the kitchen, in most kitchens at least, and you're just out with nature.
Catch the Around the House show for more on your favorite podcast player, or subscribe to our YouTube channel for the full episodes.